In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Dressx account. To get started, open the official Dressx website in your browser. If you already have the Dressx app installed on your phone or tablet, you can use that instead. The login process is generally very similar on both web and mobile, so you can simply choose whichever option is most convenient for you. Once you're on the Dressx homepage or app, look for the login button and select it. This will take you to the sign-in page for existing users. Make sure you're choosing login rather than any option for creating a new account, especially if you've used Dressx before and already have your account set up. On the login screen, enter the email address linked to your Dressx account. Take a moment to type it carefully because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in properly. After that, enter your password in the password field. If you're on a personal device, it can help to use your device's password manager to avoid mistakes and save time. Depending on the version of the service you're using, you may also see alternative sign-in options, such as continuing with Google or Apple. If your Dressx account was originally created using one of those methods, it's usually best to choose the same one again. That helps ensure you're accessing the correct account without any confusion. After entering your login details, click or tap the login button to submit your information. At this point, Dressx may ask you to complete an additional verification step. If that happens, just follow the instructions shown on screen. This could include a simple security check or another form of account confirmation designed to protect your account. Once your login is successful, you'll be taken into your Dressx account. From there, you can access your profile, browse your digital closet, and explore the platform's virtual fashion features and other available tools. If you're using the app, you may also notice a layout designed specifically for mobile navigation, but the core account access remains the same. If you run into trouble signing in, the most common issues are an incorrect email address, the wrong password, or choosing a different sign-in method than the one used when the account was created. Double check those details before trying again, and that's how to log into your Dressx account.